Good morning. I am going to be doing a review on my 2020 Stihl MS 170. I have purchased this saw to replace a Echo chainsaw that I currently have. I will show you that saw once I get done reviewing this chainsaw. Well, this MS 170 I bought at Gay Murray's. Thank you, Gay Murray's, for providing the saw. I love your service. Your service is great. Your staff is perfect in any way you could think of. Gay Murray's is one of the best dealers in Tunkhannock, Pennsylvania. Shout out to Gay Murray's. Well, this MS 170 Stihl is a chainsaw not used for cutting firewood. Is not ideal. You could use it. Wouldn't recommend it with the bar and chain that they give you with, which is, I believe, let me go check it out. 3/8 chain something. Let me grab it. Here is the, it'll focus. Oh no, is it gonna focus? It won't focus. Well, here, I'll tell you. So, it comes with a 3/8 chain. It's 40 centimeters, 16 inches. 16-inch bar. It's a 55 tooth, 3/8. And here's the box. You won't be able to see it, but it's got, I believe, a 48 pitch. Now, if you're going to be doing things like firewood cutting, buy a bar that has a 50 pitch and a 50 pitch chain. It's a lot sturdier and it'll last you a lot longer, because the bar and chain that they provide you with this same exact saw is a bar and chain that won't last a long time. So here's the chainsaw. My impressions of it. Small saw, I've used it already. The bar or the chain brake seems very responsive. Again, I've used it already. Very light, a little heavy. If you're not a scrawny person, it's not very heavy. If you're a strong guy, it's like a piece of cake, you know. I can hold this one with one hand. Does not have an easy start mechanism. It's regular start. This is the gas, this is your oil, and of course I forgot the tool. The tool that they provide you with is a tool you should keep with your saw, because that tool will help you with your maintenance. This is the tool. And if you buy a 6-pack of mixing oil, 2-stroke oil for your saw, you get a 4-year warranty. Now, this is my 1967 International Cub Cadet shear pin wire. Now, to access your spark plug and your air filter, you take the end of your screwdriver end for your tool, unlock it. And it's literally like a hood. And then, once you unlock this, you pull the trigger, bring that all the way down to full choke. And it's like a hood. And then, you're gonna have to pull this. You have to pull it. And you have two tabs. There's a metal tab and a plastic tab that goes on 2 hinges. This is your air cleaner. Literally just peel it. There's the inside of the air box. Nothing too spectacular, just plastic, normal 2020 bullshit. Here's your spark plug. I'm not taking the spark plug out, but you take off the boot and you put this end onto it and you take the spark plug out. And then you put this back on, make sure it's on those two hinges like I mentioned a little bit ago. It needs to be on those hinges. Then you drop it. It drops. No pressure needed, just I bet you I can do this with 2 fingers. 3 actually, because I need very little force needs to be applied. Then just like that, onto the off position. Flip it over on its other side. This is where you take the bar off, or the cover off, to access the bar. You also loosen this. You loosen these. Once you get those loosened, there's an adjuster. You have to pull the scabbard off. And it's just plastic. There's the bar. That is a 16-inch bar on this chainsaw. I almost said trellis. Right here's your chain adjustment. It's in there. Here's your oil, bar and chain oil level. That is your bar and chain oil level. Back here's the most important one. I don't know if you can see it sloshing, but right there's your fuel level. Now, when you go to start it, never have that down. Because if you have that down and it's on that position, it's gonna bog. I'll do a demonstration. I will set you on the tractor. See if I can get you guys out to fall. Set you on the tractor. I'm gonna go start the chainsaw. If I can get everything to stay. Alright, I'm gonna go start the chainsaw. First, I'm gonna do it with the bar and chain, or the bar chains brake on. Bring that switch down, pull the trigger in. Bring that up. Let it warm up. I'm gonna put you in my pocket and we're gonna go do something. All in all, this is a good saw. Starts right up every time. Now, I will show you my other saws when I get done doing this. But this saw costs $205 at Gay Murray's in Tunkhannock, Pennsylvania. It is a damn good saw, and I recommend this saw if you want to start out cutting stuff. So here's our first obstacle. I don't know if you can see it, my phone's falling down. Hang on.